Hello everyone, and welcome to our educational channel where we explore different topics. Today, let's talk about body parts that start with the letter A. The first body part we have is abdomen. The abdomen is the part of the body between the chest and the pelvis. It contains many important organs such as the stomach, liver, spleen, pancreas, and intestines. Next, we have the ankle. The ankle is a joint that connects the foot to the leg. It allows us to move our foot up and down and side to side. Another body part that starts with the letter A is the arm. The arm is the upper limb of the body that extends from the shoulder to the hand. It consists of three parts: the upper arm, the forearm, and the hand. Lastly, we have the auricle or pinna. The auricle is the visible part of the ear that is located on the outside of the head. It collects sound waves and directs them into the ear canal. So there you have it, some body parts that start with the letter A. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching.